I'm going to show you how to make a super cute headscarf. It didn't turn out like I wanted, but it did turn out. So that's what we're making today on Katie Makes. I started off with a cotton fabric. It was Astros print because it is my aunt's absolute favorite team, and decided to make the band with a nice buttery soft 4-way jersey knit. Of course, I'm going to use my serger with the proper colors on, except for this one looks a little nibbled. Vi has no idea how it happened, of course. Then my serger totally crashed. Hey guys, it's been a while since I started this project, a turban style head wrap for my aunt, the super Astros fan, but I have a working serger now, so let's get back to it. While I was off and I was thinking about the project, I decided that I wanted to use the remnants of this super soft buttery jersey knit to line the cap. I thought it might be a little softer and nicer, so let's add that and then finish the scarf. I just threw my original pattern piece down and cut out with my favorite spring-loaded gingers. And before going on to the next step of the project, which of course is to match your centers and sew down the cap part of the turban head wrap. Of course, when you're working with new equipment, it's always good to have someone check it out. Right sides together and pin. I'm going to sew only the crown of the cap, leaving these long tails. Of course, press everything. Here are my tails, right sides together again. Never be afraid to ask for help in the craft room if you need someone to double check your work. Here, I just wanted to show you the power of pressing your seams. It really does make a difference. Band, sew it, fold it in half, no raw edges showing. Okay, this may be the part where it gets a little tricky. You are going to sew that complete circle band you just made around the perimeter of your turban, only to the part where it opens in the back, where you're going to tie it. So you're going to leave a little gap in the back of the band where the pieces don't meet, because you want to be able to slip it over your head like a headband. You can see here where I've pinned it, I've stretched the band out and then pinned it, and I'm going to stretch as I sew too, so that it will gather onto the orange band. You can see I decided to use my serger for a cleaner look and feel, and then just a little lightning bolt stitch in that remaining gap in the back so that it still stretches but the parts don't come unfolded. It is cute, it is comfortable, it is soft, but I made the tails too short. You can't wrap them around to the front, but you can still do a cute bow or knot in the back. I love it. My aunt loves it and she's wearing it to a game. So go Astros, and I'll see you later for more makes.